On the edge of the water in Jackson's Point, the admin building and boathouse for the York Regional Police Marine Unit reduces response time. EBS Geostructural tackled the deep foundations for this award-winning project, challenging and highlighting our people, equipment, and solutions. Sometimes prime locations pose construction challenges. The site, the former Bonnie Boats location in Jackson's Point, had some challenges for EBS. The foundation included a grade beam for the admin building and direct connection to the structural steel for the boathouse. Pile depths ranged from 15 to 70 feet due to soil and fill conditions. We chose Chance square shaft helical piles for the grade beam. These allowed us to penetrate the fill layer and deliver the required capacities. Chance round shaft helical piles were installed in the water for the boathouse. Installing helical piles from a barge to the lakebed 8 feet below while maintaining tolerances required coordination and skill. EBS Geostructural was proud to be part of this project and looks forward to the next challenges. General Contractor, Gillam Group. Structural, Intuitive. Geotechnical, Golder. Loadings, from 75 kilonewtons to 490 kilonewtons. Piles, 105 Chance helical piles.